Welcome back. Today we're going to be performing a battery change on a Casio F-108WH. Let's get right into it. Starting off with what we're going to need, we're simply going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver, ideally metal tweezers, but if you don't have metal tweezers, you can just use a metal paper clip, and of course our replacement battery, which is a CR2016. Our first step is going to be to remove our case back, so we're simply going to turn our watch over and remove these 4 screws. And we'll set those aside where we won't lose them. With our screws removed and set aside, we can simply take our case back right off. And don't worry, sometimes your gasket will come off with the case back. We'll put that back in when we're reassembling the watch. Our next step is going to be to unlatch the battery housing. So this is where we're going to want our metal tweezers, or we can use our paper clip. We can see right here that there's a little latch. We simply want to put the pointy end of our tweezers or paper clip right in there, and we can unlatch the battery like so. And usually this sticker will be stuck to the battery, so I'll simply slide something right underneath it. Now we can go ahead and take our old battery out and dispose of it. Next we can come on in with our new battery, and I always suggest holding the battery by the sides if you don't have finger covers on. We're simply going to grab our watch and slide the battery right in, and we can just close the latch like so. We'll feel it click right into place. Now our new battery is installed. Now we're ready to perform our AC reset. This is simply going to reset the computer to factory defaults, clear out any potential errors. This is where our metal tweezers will come in handy, but if you're using a paper clip, you can simply bend it. You just want to have 2 metal points. We want to look on our module here where it says AC, and we'll see there's a little gold panel at the bottom there. We simply want to contact one end of our metal to that gold panel and the other end to the metal on our module, and hold it there for about 2 seconds. And then, just to ensure that we've performed the reset correctly, I always like to hold my finger over this spring here because we don't want it to fall out. That spring has to do with the beeping of your watch. And I will flip the watch over, and if we've performed the reset correctly, we should see it start counting up from 12 and 0 seconds. So it's been about 30 since I did the reset. So now our watch is ready to reassemble. So our first step in reassembly is going to be putting our gasket back in case it came out when you were disassembling the watch. We simply want to look on top where there's a little tab sticking off, and we can see on the watch that there's a tab right there. We simply want to drop it right in the groove. Make sure that it's properly seated in there. And now our gasket is in place. Now we're ready to install our case back again. We simply want to remember that this tab indicates the upper portion of the watch. So when installing our case back, we want to make sure that our Casio logo is properly oriented. We'll simply drop it in place, and you'll feel it kind of slip right into the groove. Now we can go ahead and put our case back screws in. I usually like to hold my thumb on the case back, drop the screws in, and get them started. And now we just need to snug them up. And remember, they don't need to be super tight, just snug is all. These are very delicate screws, easy to strip and easy to break. And that's all there is to it. As we can see, our watch cycles modes, it beeps nice and loud, and our backlight works, though it may be a little challenging to see under this bright light. So now our watch is completely ready to wear again. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick battery changing tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful and to the point. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them down below in the comments, and I will respond to you as quickly as I see them. And if you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. I'm going to be covering a wide array of Casio, G-Shock, and Baby G products, so stay tuned for more. Thanks guys.